On this episode, we are going to be checking out the Alpaka Tech Kit, coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? This is Jin from Oribags, and on this channel, we are all about coming up with product videos and tips to help you carry better. So if this is your first time watching, please hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell button too. And hey, if you're already a subscriber, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be checking out the Alpaka Tech Kit, a compact tech organizer that is going to be an essential on its own in your laptop bag. Alright, so let's take a closer look at it today. Now, being in Oribags, I've seen my fair share of tech organizers, tech pouches, and personally, there are about 3 things that I always look out for in a good tech pouch. One is good design, functionality, and the last one is quality, of course. So let's take a closer look at the tech kit. Now, design-wise, the Alpaka Tech Kit definitely ticks all the boxes. I really appreciate its refined, almost minimalist type of look and design, and it's practically a blank canvas. Now, the logo tab is a very subtle one, stitched on the side here, and as you can see, you've probably noticed by now that there are no other exterior pockets or additional features on the exterior of the pouch. The material engineered with water-resistant fabrics on the outside, and it comes with a soft fabric on the inside of the pouch. Now, I would say that this tech kit is a medium-sized tech pouch. Yeah, about medium size. It's roughly enough for your daily essentials plus a little bit more. Now, in a bit, I'm going to walk you through all the compartments, and I'm going to be showing you how it looks like when it's loaded up. All right, but right now I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison with other medium-sized tech pouches from other brands. Let's take a look. Alright, so now let's take a look on the inside of the tech kit. Now, before I open this up, let's just take a quick look at the zippers. As you can see, it's lined with waterproof zippers for that added protection. And one of the things that I really like about the tech kit is that it opens out flat. And because it's not a very big piece, it doesn't really take up too much space on your desk. Okay, now right now I'm going to take you through all the compartments in the tech kit. I'm going to walk you through every single one of them and give you some examples on loading it up with different types of accessories, just so that you have a better idea on how everything fits. Alright, so let's start with this side. Okay, so we've got an open compartment right about here. Let's give you a closer look. Okay, so we've got an open space right here. And within this open compartment, you have 2 slip pockets over here. All right, so just giving you a closer look. Now, this section will probably be ideal for slightly larger pieces, like for example, your power bank or your external drive. I got my external drive right here, just putting it in here just to give you a better idea of how everything fits. Okay, so it's just about the height of my external drive. And for the slip pockets, I would probably use it to fit in, like, you know, my power cable and whatnot, whatever that you have. So I've got a cable over here. Just gonna show you how this would fit inside this slip pocket. So let's just coil it up in an organized manner. And yeah, this is how it looks like from the inside. All right, now moving along, we have a zipper compartment right here. Now, this zipper compartment, obviously it's good for, like, you know, loose things or smaller items that you do not want to, you don't want it to go missing. So I've got some small connector cables right here. These are like really small ones. And I've also got an SD card because I always lose my SD card. So yeah, compartments like these come in really handy for me. And then you have another 2 more slip pockets out here. Now, I just want to show you that once I load this area up with, say, my external drive, cable, I've got a few connector cables inside the zipper compartment. This section over here, the 2 slip pockets over here, is going to be pretty tight. So if you want to load up with like smaller gadgets like this, it's going to be quite challenging, right? So I would suggest just probably putting cables in here because they are a bit more flexible. And honestly, they are quite short and narrow in space. So yeah, you decide what suits you best over here, okay? And by now, I think you probably realize a lack of elastic bands over here. So if you have more cables to carry around, then you probably have to find a way to tuck them away in these slip pockets right here, the 2 in front, and you have another 2 inside this compartment right here. Okay, so moving along, we have these 2 large mesh slip pockets, okay? So I would show you with my magic mouse, okay? My magic mouse here, and this is how it fits inside the mesh compartment. So yeah, it's quite a nice fit. It's got a good fit to it. And I've got my SD card reader. I'm gonna just tuck it in here, and the cable. And yeah, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to close this up, and honestly, this is it's feeling pretty tight already, and it's got quite a number of things in here, basic things, essentials, plus a little bit more. Now, I'm guessing there is a sort of like a open space right here. If I wanted to probably drop in like my AirPods and all that, you probably could still kind of squeeze this in, but yeah, it's getting kind of tight. So yeah, I would suggest that you decide what is important for you in your tech kit, and then you load it up accordingly. Alright, and that's all there is to know about the Alpaka Tech Kit. It's a very simple piece, nothing complicated, so I hope you found this video useful. Now, if you want to get your hands on this Alpaka Tech Kit, you can head on over to oribags.com, or you can just hit the links in the description box below and it'll take you straight to the product page. And lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye!